Hey there Candy Crush lover, ever dream of becoming a legend? Like the person who's on the final level of Candy Crush Saga? Well, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reach the highest level in Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. Play every single day, even if it's just one level. Candy Crush reward consistency with free boosters, live and daily treats. Join events like Candy Royale, episode race and weekly leaderboards. These boost your gold, give you booster and help you zoom through tough level faster than a strip candy blast. Don't waste your color bombs on basic move. Combine boosters like color bomb plus stripped candy for mega clears. Plan ahead like a candy crushing chess master. Add friends or join a team. More friends is equal to more free lives, more support, more flex, plus they might even help you unlock new episodes. And here you go, these are some ways you can reach the highest level in Candy Crush Saga. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.